every Twitter user, those who have Twitter, you will be get 1000 points, CPoints that can convert it into Solana. Okay, immediately you can convert it. If you see this diagram, here is New Year gifts for Twitter user 8%, and their others diagram is showed up in here. But this thing you can be included them 8%, so you can be. So how do you participate? I'm going to show you. Okay, so first you need to copy this link and paste into your browser. If you want to see the main post link, you can go through it as well too. So I'm going to show you. So this is the site. You need to connect your connect your Twitter just by simply click on their Twitter icon, and I'm showing you rest of the thing. And their post is like this. Okay, 8% people will be get Twitter users. Okay, New Year's gift, and this point can be redeemed February 1. If you noticed, this point can be redeemed February 1, and their everything is showing up in here. I'm showing you. In order to prevent bots, we use normal distribution algorithm. The snapshot time was November 24 this year. Okay, so pretty simple, straightforward way I'm showing you. So now if I click on the CPoints, and if I click the connect wallet, Twitter wallet, by simply click on connect Twitter, and if I click the authorize apps, it will be connected immediately with us. So now point we get, nothing we need. Now we can convert it to Solana. Simply click the convert it to Solana, and your phantom wallet should have in here. So take Solana address and paste it into here. Okay, so simply unlock it, and I will take the Solana address and I will paste it into here, and simply I click the transfer success, converted, total amount is done. Now it should be you can redeem it in February 1. Okay, so probably it makes sense you how do you participate. Further update, next update for getting, you need to definitely join inside of our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel. From different countries people to join in here. Okay, so please do join in our Telegram channel. Okay, that would be worthwhile to join because of people are from different country. You are probably different country, so we are making money from here. Okay.